Hello friends. We have already studied the lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. In this lesson we have studied how Robinson Crusoe was afraid because of the large footprints that he had seen on the shore and now we have studied this lesson. Now let's see the one of the grammar topic from this lesson. See on your screen you can see there is a let's write column is there. In that column, see, uh, we are going to study the sentences. We are going to make a meaningful sentence with the help of jumbled words. You can see that there are the jumbled words, and now we have to arrange them properly, and we should make a meaningful sentence. See, the words in the sentence are jumbled. Write them in order. One is done for you. See, the jumbled words are given there, and we have to make a meaningful sentence. See, first one is done for you. Alone was not Robinson an island on. See, the sentence is there, but the words are in a jumbled manner, jumbled order. Correct order is Robinson was not alone on an island. This is a meaningful sentence. Now see second one, was island the inhabited. This is the second sentence. Was island the inhabited. So the correct order is the island was inhabited. Once again I am going to repeat it. See, was island the inhabited. This is a jumbled order of the words. Now the correct order is the island was inhabited. Then see, third sentence, footprint to someone this belonged. See, footprint to someone this belonged. The correct order is this footprint belonged to someone. This is the correct order. Then fourth sentence, I around me looked. See, this is the small one. Small sentence is there. Jumbled words are there. I around me looked. The correct order is I look around me. This is the meaningful sentence with the correct order. I looked around me. Then fifth sentence, I went the two words footprint large. I went the two words footprint large. Then the correct order is I went towards the large footprint. This is the correct answer. I went towards the large footprint. Then sixth one, was afraid I now. See, jumbled words are there. Was afraid I now. The correct order is I was afraid now. In this way, students, see, we have arranged all words properly, and we have make a meaningful sentence. This is a very easy one. Then see the second questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. See, the words are given there, and you have to fill them. And, but, because, and so. See, I was frightened curious. I was frightened. The correct word is but curious. मी घाबरलेलो होतो. I was frightened. मी घाबरलेलो होतो. But पण curious सुद्धा होतो. Curious उत्सुक होतो. I was frightened but curious. Then the second one, I decided to go to the beach. I decided to go to the beach, so I went along the water's edge. So I decided to go to the beach. मी बीचवर जायचं ठरवलेलं होतं. So म्हणून I went along water's edge. Then I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. I ran as fast as I could. मला जितकं फास्ट पळता येईल मी तितकं पळालो because कारण I was frightened. मी घाबरलेलो होतो. I was very tired and confused. मी टायर्डही होतो आणि कसा होतो confused. And see, these are the correct words. Now we have filled. Once again I am going to repeat it. See, I was frightened but curious. But is the correct word. I decided to go to the beach, so I went along water's edge. Then I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. I was very tired and confused. These are the correct words. correct answers. Then see, on your next page, see, there are two columns, and again we have to choose the correct words to combine the sentences. See, use the joining words given below and join the sentences column A and B. See, there are two columns, and in yellow box there are the joining words. It means that you have to use that words, and you should join the two sentences, combine the two sentences. See, in that in that yellow box, or, and, so, but, and because, these are the joining words are there, and now we have to use the correct joining word, and we have to join the two sentences. See, first I am going to read the column A. First sentence, I can sing well. Second sentence, she wore a raincoat. Third, we may go to the Shimla. Fourth, he wanted a book for his birthday. Fifth, he missed the school bus. Sixth, I wrote the letter. This is a column A. Now see, I am going to read a column B. I forgot to post it. It was raining. He was late to school. We may go to Darjeeling. He wanted a football for his birthday. I can't dance at all. This is the column B. Now we have to join these sentences with the help of joining words. See, the first sentence, I can sing well. मी छान गाणं गाऊ शकते. I can sing well. मी छान गाणं गाऊ शकते. In B column, see the last one. But I can't dance at all. See, I have used the joining word but to join the two sentences, to connect the two sentences. I can sing well, but I can't dance at all. Then second one, she wore a raincoat. See, she wore a raincoat because it was raining. तिने रेनकोट घातला because it was raining, कारण पाऊस पडत होता. Because, see, I have used because to join the two sentences. See, I can sing well, last sentence, but I can't dance at all, but I have used she wore a raincoat because त्याच्या समोरच because it was raining. Then third sentence, we may go to Shimla. बघा, we may go to Shimla, but we may go to Shimla, or we may go to Darjeeling. He wanted a book for his birthday, and he wanted a football for his birthday. And I have used to join two sentences. He wanted a book for his birthday, fourth sentence, and the B column, fifth sentence. He wanted a book for his birthday, and he wanted a football for his birthday. Then fifth one, he missed the school bus. See, fifth sentence, he missed the school bus, so he was late to school. See, he missed the school bus, त्यानं त्याची स्कूल बस मिस केली, सो म्हणून बी कॉलम थर्ड सेंटेन्स, so he was late to school. Then last one, I wrote the letter. See, last one, sixth sentence, I wrote the letter, but I forgot to, first sentence, but I forgot to post it. I wrote the letter, but I forgot to post it. See, in this way, students, with the help of these joining words, we have joined the sentences by choosing the correct words. In this way, we have finished this lesson as well as exercise. Okay, thank you.